iFacial by Diminuage, powered by a grid of nanochips, each 1,000 times smaller than a human hair. The iFacial Silver is the future of anti-aging. Painless and portable, use the Silver as part of your daily skincare routine, and the Booster Chips 2 to 4 times a week for deeper results. Ready to get started? Begin with a freshly washed face. Pat dry and apply serum. Next, insert a new NanoChip and turn on. Before your first use, be sure to test on the inside of the wrist for any skin sensitivity. Glide the Silver gently onto your skin, focusing on any problem areas such as wrinkles, scarring, and blemishes, as well as generously around the eyes, working on any dark circles and fine lines. Finish with your daily moisturizer and get ready to glow. Now enjoy your youthful, healthy-looking skin.